Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to share with you guys how we can import any product from USA to India or any other country. So few days back, I required a Rode compact on-camera microphone. There are so many e-commerce websites in the USA and the majority of them do not ship their product internationally. But if you desperately want to buy a product that is only available in USA and you don't live there, so what you are going to do? So here is my story about buying a product from Amazon.com which is not deliverable to my address, nor it's available to buy from Amazon.in. The seller ships the product within USA. I did some Google search and tried to find out how to buy from USA to India, and I found a couple of companies that provide parcel forwarding services. After doing some research, I chose Stekry.com because of their low shipping rates and quality of services compared to others, and they also ship from shop at your favorite US based retailer. Stekry.com currently ships to over 35,000 plus customers in 200 countries across the world. Stekry allows customers to shop and ship with the least amount of cost by providing a US based address to manage, repackage and ship overseas to save overseas shipping charges. Consolidating packages can save customers up to 80% on international shipping compared to shipping packages individually from retailers. So I went to Stekry.com and signed up for free. There are no joining or monthly fees, just a fees for when the packages are forwarded on, and if you need such money saving extras as a consolidation and repackaging, there are simple fees for each as you use them. Stekry has provided me personal address based on USA so that I can use the address to ship my product. Now I will open the Amazon.com, add the Rode mic on the cart, then choose USA shipping address provided by Stekry.com. Select all the packages for consolidation and click next under add to new shipment to move to the next stage of the process in your account dashboard. Here, click continue and confirm all the details of your packages on the next page. Select or add your shipping address. Compared to many, hence the chances are that your consolidation will be done at the same day if you submit during the initial hours of their workday. Once it is complete, click on a finalized shipment to review details of your new package. Here you can review or change the address. Select shipping service. You can now see the amounts under each services which was previously not available to you. Select insurance. If over $100, pay for a shipment via PayPal, credit card, wire transfer. You can choose to apply credit card available in your Stekry account to your shipment also. You need an international transaction enabled credit card or a debit card for doing this payment. My order was successfully placed. Stekry is one of the best parcel forwarding companies in the US. They offer a mailbox with 45 days storage in Nosha, which is a tax-free state in the USA. The type of services they provide is considerably less than other in the USA. Stekry.com has a variety of flexible shipping options, so you can choose whichever one is the best for you. You will have the option of paying extra for express shipping, which ensures your order will arrive as fast as possible. But if you want to save even more money with a more economical option, the choice is yours. You receive a tracking number along with email, so you can keep track of the process of your item transit. Depending on the shipping options you choose, you can expect to receive your package in a few or 3 business days. We always need a great customer support staff and easy to use website. If you are new to overseas shopping and need a reliable package forwarding company, then start with them. You can't go wrong with them, as they are the best in all areas that matter for a package forwarding company, that is keeping your valuables or goods in their storage. I will leave a link in video description for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.